Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you if you're facing an issue WhatsApp couldn't place a call, try again, then I'm gonna show you how to solve that problem. First of all you have to do is click or long press your WhatsApp icon, and then you have to click on this icon to open the app info of WhatsApp. From here, what you can do, force stop your WhatsApp. Once you have done, then check again if your problem is solved or not. But if your problem is not solved yet, then what you can do is click on storage and cache and clear the cache of your WhatsApp and try again once again. If your problem has not been fixed, then go back on the app info page, and from here you have to go to the permissions and check if your microphone permission is set to allow only while using the app or not. If your microphone is set to ask every time or don't allow, you have to select the option called allow only while using the app, and then check again if your problem has been fixed or not. If your problem still not has been solved, then what you can do is uninstall the WhatsApp and click on OK and reinstall the WhatsApp from App Store or your Play Store and try again once again, and hopefully your problem will be solved. And that's how you can fix WhatsApp call couldn't place. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.